When thinking about automation in precision engineering companies, Irish Manufacturing Research is the leading CNC automation research company in Ireland, and we are delighted to introduce the Mills CNC Synergy Cell to you. This system is being used by IMR to demonstrate the latest technology in CNC machine automation, and it's also being used to conduct research to develop solutions to overcome challenges identified by industry to integrating automation systems on their factory floor. The Synergi Cell is an automated part handling system which is fully integrated into CNC machine tools. As it can be seen on this video, recorded in IMR's facility in Mullingar, the system is composed by a Fanuc industrial robot, a 5-drawer system for part loading and unloading, and a 17-inch touchscreen with onboard Synergy software, which is extremely user-friendly. To quick set up this piece of equipment, the user will need to input 7 basic information such as part diameter, part length, part weight, drawer type, machine choke jaw length, robot choke jaw length, and the quantity of parts to be machined. Depending on the application, the robot also can be set up in any combination when it comes to load and unload parts on the main spindle and sub-spindle. Our cell in IMR can always be set a frequency of inspection, which the robot will place one part according to the demand on the inspection conveyor to be inspected. Other important feature that can be seen on our equipment is the two-way drawer system, which allows the operator to reload the drawers from the back of the machine, eliminating the machine stop. The system also has a few safety features, including sensors and fences that reduce drastically or eliminate any chance of an accident involving the robot and the operator. If you are interested in viewing this system or finding out how Irish Manufacturing Research can help you on your precision engineering journey, please contact us at imr.ie.